Yeah, good evening, sir. This is Ashok from GTNC Korea.
Okay.
We are a crane manufacturing company in Korea, and my CEO is a lady. She's a Korean-based woman, and she started her own products like cosmetics,
Okay.
and they are of premier range. The normal people cannot afford. Only high top creamy layer people can afford. I think on Feb 1st I received a mail from you. So now my question is, I would like to access the uh, investors like B2B. And one more thing, I have registered with this Startup India, Franchise India or Business X. We paid some amount, they said they'll give some leads. Almost all it is around 9 months now. I didn't get even one lead. I got stuck up here because I am resident in Korea. Actually, I have my backup in India. If I am there, I can bring at least one or two investors in my own known contacts. So I am unable to travel because of this COVID situation, and there is no exit also at present. So I need some input from you. So how to approach a real B2B? We have done everything. Our product is ready. We have launched our product in Korea. Now we are launching parallelly in Singapore and India. Our website is ready. Our product got CDSU approval. All products have patent rights, and we have approached some dermatologists also.
Okay. So by B2B, you mean to say you are looking for investors or you are looking for the customers?
I'm looking for customers, not investors, not customers.
So you said you paid to Franchise India. Franchise India provides you investors also?
Yes.
Okay. All right. See, just recently on 10th of April, we had our demo day where we invited all 10 founders to participate, and 297 investors participated. Right? So
Yes.
you can join our next demo day. In fact, you have to first follow the process. The process is, first and foremost, you have to build the pitch deck. That is the most important document. Once you have the pitch deck, you go to Startup Lanes, and under the funding section, there is one page. You have to read that page. It will take you at least 10 minutes to read it entirely.
Okay.
We have mentioned the entire process, how things will work. After that, you need to apply. Once you apply, your application will go into our system, and automatically you will get a call. There will be a community manager assigned to you,
Okay.
and you will get a call. She will tell you when to send the pitch deck and where to send the pitch deck. Once the pitch deck is there, she will guide you how to make a better pitch deck, because that is the most important document. Once the pitch deck is ready, then you have to do a pitching to us. Once you pitch to us, three things will happen. Our team will analyze about your product, about your business, as well as how well you are pitching. And if all three things work fine, then we will tell you the next. In case your pitch deck is not good, then we will guide you. In case you are not fundable, then also we will guide you. In case you are not getting opportunities, or you want to search out the investors yourself, then also we'll guide you. We are there completely for every founder, whatever they need, especially for funding. Our focus is 100% funding, and it does not matter whether you become our paid customer or not. We are here to support you.
Yes, sir. This process is a chargeable basis, or it's how to pay?
This is entirely free process. That is what I said. This is entirely free. Our objective, we built this organization on the basis of Seva. Seva is something, serving the society.
Yes,
so there is a cost attached when we, suppose you need a pitch deck to be designed and built by the professionals. Then we have, lot of people in the team, they do it. So then there will be a charge, right? But if everything is fine, you don't need any of those services, then straightforward, you can meet the investors through us, and there will be a fixed service fee on the success. Whatever amount of funding you raise, we will be charging from that only.
Okay. And actually, basically, I am a mechanical engineer. My experience is completely different, technical. I came here as a overseas project manager. Now my company is diversifying the business. So this is completely new. I don't know how to fare, but I'm searching for what the help I can get from others. Okay.
Entirely, we'll connect you. In fact, I'll connect you with one of my connections. She's the founder of Spendless Cosmetics. So
Okay.
that would be a very Singapore. That would be a very good connect for you. And
Okay.
as far as I know, she has more than 50,000 distributors all across the world. Right, single mother working very hard, and she has built a very big company. You will appreciate if you know about her, definitely.
Okay, sir. Okay. Okay.
All right. All
Yeah,
right. Next question.
thank you very much for your initiative, and we will also support you in future course. We'll have a long journey with you. Thank you.
Definitely, 100%. Thank you so much, and we'll have these sessions every Tuesday. I would appreciate you come back on next also. Okay.
Oh yeah, please. I'll join. Thank you.
Good.